Samsung is one of the most trusted smartphone brands in the world, and if you're looking to buy a power-packed 5G smartphone in 2025, this Samsung device might just blow your mind. Because this phone is about to redefine premium. Packed with a 400-megapixel DSLR level camera, and a massive 8500 mAh battery, this beast is here to dominate. Yes, we're talking about the Samsung Galaxy Edge 2025. In today's video, we'll dive deep into its fully leaked specs, price, and launch date. So, let's start. Features of Samsung Galaxy Edge 2025 5G. Display. First up, the display. This phone flaunts a 6.89-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED screen, with 4K resolution, delivering ultra-sharp visuals. That's not all. It also comes with a 144 Hz refresh rate, and a blazing fast 390 Hz touch sampling rate, for buttery smooth gaming. Plus, it features an in-display fingerprint sensor, and Gorilla Glass Armor Plus for extra durability. And guess what? It's IP68 rated, making it resistant to water and dust like never before. Camera setup. This phone takes mobile photography to DSLR level quality. It sports a triple camera setup, headlined by a 400-megapixel DSLR primary sensor, with OIS support. And for selfie lovers, a crisp 32-megapixel front camera is ready to make your social media game strong. Performance. Under the hood, this phone is powered by Qualcomm's most powerful chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Elite, ensuring lightning-fast speed and efficiency. And for software, it runs on the latest Android 16, offering a seamless and futuristic user experience. Battery backup. Worried about battery? Don't be. This monster packs a 8500 mAh battery, supported by 125-watt fast charging, with USB Type-C port. Say goodbye to charging anxiety. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? Rumors suggest it'll be priced around $1,199. And as for the launch date, there's no official confirmation yet, but stay tuned for updates.